Here at Scott Legal, we know the ins and outs of immigration. We are here to help you navigate the oftentimes complex road in achieving your immigration goals. We have new immigration videos every week. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell. You can also sign up for one of our webinars, or get a free immigration guide, by clicking the link below. An F-1 visa is a great visa for students who want to study in the US. We often get asked whether someone who is in the US on OPT status can change to E-2 status. The answer is yes, and this video will summarize the timeline when a change of status petition should be filed. Let's get started.
Let's look at a common scenario. You studied in the US and are currently in the US on an OPT. Your H-1B visa registration was not selected in the lottery, and you want to stay in the US. You want to invest money in the US and start your own E-2 business. Can you do this while you are in the US in OPT status, or during your grace period?
When do I need to submit the E-2 change of status petition?
If you are applying for a change of status, then your E-2 change of status petition must be received by USCIS before your F-1 status expires. This means anytime while you are working on an OPT or within the 60-day grace period after you finish working. If your petition is received before then, and while it's pending, you can stay in the US but you cannot work for the E-2 company or any other employer. If you want to start working for the E-2 company as soon as possible, you can pay a premium processing fee, which is currently $2,500. This means that USCIS will make a decision on your petition within 15 days, and once the petition is approved, you can start working for the E-2 company immediately.
What about applying for an E-2 visa at a US consulate?
In case you want to apply for an E-2 visa at a US consulate abroad, you can file the E-2 petition at any time, but you will have to leave the US before your F-1 status expires. If you are currently working in the US on an OPT, this means 60 days after your employment ends. This is assuming that you only filed the consular petition and did not file a change of status petition with USCIS.
Is it a disadvantage if I am young, and I have no former experience with managing a company?
No. While it's a positive aspect of your E-2 application if you have some prior experience in managing a company or owning a business, it is not necessary for an E-2 visa. However, you will still need to explain in the application what your job duties will be. Your job duties should be high-level managerial or executive duties. You should not, for example, be doing secretary or admin support duties. Additionally, any experience in the E-2 business industry will be helpful. For example, if you studied IT, you worked in an IT firm on your OPT and you now want to start an IT consulting firm. Your prior experience in the industry will still be helpful for the application. With regards to whether an E-2 visa can be granted to graduates or young visa applicants, yes. There is no minimum age limit as to who can apply for an E-2 visa. Sometimes consular officers can question whether your projections are realistic or whether you will be able to start and manage the E-2 company. That's why preparing for an E-2 interview is an extremely important part of the E-2 process.
To learn more, take a look at our resources in the description box below. You can also sign up for a free visa guide, any of our upcoming webinars, and Facebook groups. You can also schedule a consultation for a date and time that is best for you. We are here to help. You can contact us by calling 212-223-2964 or by sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you.